Good afternoon to everyone. Today we are going to discuss about hydrocarbon and the classification of hydrocarbon. What is the hydrocarbon? The compound having only carbon and hydrogen. The compound having only carbon and hydrogen, then the compounds are called hydrocarbon. These hydrocarbons classified into broadly two categories. How many types? Two types. That is open chain hydrocarbons, open chain hydrocarbon, and closed chain hydrocarbon. Open chain hydrocarbon as well as closed chain hydrocarbon. What is open chain hydrocarbon, sir? The hydrocarbon in which the carbon atoms are connected with each other in a straight chain or branched chain to form a bigger molecules is called open chain hydrocarbon. Simply, what is your open chain hydrocarbon? The carbon atoms are connected with the carbon atoms are connected or attached with each other in a straight chain or branched chain. Are called open chain hydrocarbon. Closed chain hydrocarbon is the hydrocarbon in which the carbon atoms are connected with each other in a closed manner or ring manner. Closed manner. The carbon atoms are connected with each other in a closed manner or ring manner is called closed chain. So this open chain hydrocarbons are broadly classified into this open chain hydrocarbons is also called acyclic hydrocarbon. Acyclic hydrocarbon. It is also called aliphatic hydrocarbon. So these acyclic hydrocarbons are classified into two types. That is saturated hydrocarbon. Saturated hydrocarbon. The second one is unsaturated hydrocarbon. What is saturated hydrocarbon, sir? The hydrocarbon in which between carbon and carbon at least one single covalent bond is present, then the hydrocarbons are called saturated hydrocarbon. The hydrocarbon in which at least between carbon and carbon at least one single covalent bond is present. Example for saturated hydrocarbon: alkanes. Unsaturated hydrocarbon means the hydrocarbon in which either double bond or triple covalent bond between two carbon atoms in a molecule is called unsaturated. Multiple bonds. The hydrocarbon in which this unsaturated hydrocarbon classified into two types. That is unsaturated hydrocarbons are classified into two types. That is alkenes and alkynes. The general formula of general formula of alkenes CnH2n. The general formula of alkynes CnH2n minus. The general formula of alkenes CnH2n plus 2. Here N indicates number of carbon atoms. Carbon atoms. So this is information about open chain hydrocarbons. Okay, now we will discuss one by one. So once again I will draw the flow chart. Hydrocarbons are broadly classified into two categories, that is open chain hydrocarbon. It is also called aliphatic hydrocarbon. It is also called alicyclic hydrocarbon. These open chain hydrocarbons are again classified into two categories, that is saturated hydrocarbons and second one is unsaturated hydrocarbons. These saturated hydrocarbons example are alkanes. General formula of alkane is CnH2n minus 2. The unsaturated hydrocarbons are classified into two types. That is, what is the saturated hydrocarbon? The hydrocarbon in which at least one single covalent bond between two carbon atoms in a molecule. Unsaturated means the hydrocarbon which with a double bond or triple bond between two carbon atoms in a molecule, the carbon atoms containing between two atoms with a double bond or triple bond, that is called simply multiple bonds. The hydrocarbon which is a double bond or triple bond between two carbon atoms in a molecule is called unsaturated hydrocarbon. Unsaturated hydrocarbon are classified in two types, alkenes and alkynes. Alkenes and alkynes. The general formula of alkene is CnH2n. The general formula of alkyne is CnH2n minus. So this is information about open chain hydrocarbons. So take closed chain hydrocarbon. Closed chain hydrocarbons are called cyclic compounds. That is again classified into two categories. That is called homocyclic and heterocyclic compounds. Homocyclic hydrocarbons and heterocyclic hydrocarbons. These homocyclic hydrocarbons again classified into two categories: homocyclic hydrocarbon, aromatic, another one is aromatic, homocyclic hydrocarbons. Like that, these heterocyclic compounds again classified into two categories. That is allyheterocyclic compounds and polyheterocyclic compound aromatic heterocyclic compound. Heterocyclic compound. These aromatic compounds again classified into two types, ma'am. Benzenoid compounds to non-benzenoid. Benzenoid compounds as well as non-benzenoid compounds. This is information about classification. Means classification of hydrocarbon. Thank you. We will meet next video.